Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI MediaPad T3 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel, and to do it swipe down twice from the top of the screen, like this. And here we should have a screen recorder icon, but we don't have it. So let's tap on this edit icon on the top, the pencil icon. And here we have our screen recording. Let's touch and hold on this icon and then drag it to the list above, like that, and then tap back to go back. Now we can tap on our screen recording icon to start the recording. Here we have some informations, and now we can tap on agree to start the recording. As you can see right here, the recording started, and we can either stop it by tapping on stop right here, or we can stop it another way. We can stop it by let's wait till it starts. We can also stop the recording by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button together, like that. Let's see our videos. Here's the second one.
We can also start the recording by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button together.
And here's the first one we recorded. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.